Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another craft with me, and we are going to create an embellishment on Cricut Design Space. I was so inspired by my paper freckles on Instagram, and I'll leave a link to her Instagram page down below. She had created the most adorable rainbow embellishments, and I was obsessed. Couldn't get them out of my head, and I don't have a rainbow die. So I thought, let me get to Design Space and design one. So we're gonna go to images, and I love the way that her rainbow looked. It had different sized stripes, rainbow stripes, I guess you can call it that, and or layers. And I love the wonkiness on it, and it was so cute. So I'm gonna look for one that kind of fits that profile. And I am going to see, oh, this one is really cute. And then I'm just gonna look for a heart. Oop, there we go. So she did have a heart on her rainbow, and I love that little accent. So I'm gonna go and ungroup this one. I do love this one. I love the different sizes. I think it's just so cute. I'm gonna get rid of the rainbow baby. And here I'm gonna have to steal your heart and I'm gonna remove this rainbow because I like the other one better. So we're gonna go here and oopsie, I'm gonna go and we are going to use the offset feature in Cricut Design Space. So basically, if you select the offset feature, it will create a border around your selection. So I am gonna go and select this whole thing, and we're gonna go to offset on the top, and I think that looks perfect. So her embellishment had her border was all in acetate, and there was something so darling about it, that's see-through, and then just kind of like the layered look of the embellishment. I think this is the embellishment that I'm gonna go with, and I am just gonna copy a couple because I like to use up my full sheet of 12 by 12 or as much as I can when I'm cutting. So I'm going to do one more, and then let us check our mats to see that this looks fine. And I'm gonna just leave this at 12 by 12, but I am gonna adjust this to a letter size sheet, or maybe do they have 6 by 6? Yes, they do. I'm gonna go and see if I can cut these out of a garden party paper, and I think it'll come out super cute. So stay tuned for that, and I will come back with the finished cut pieces and hopefully a fully assembled embellishment, and we will put one together as well. Okay, you guys, so now I've completed cutting all of my pieces, and I've cut some acetate, and I did take some hollow acetate because if it's a rainbow, it might as well be fun. And this is a Cricut brand acetate, and then I cut up the layers in different contrasting colors. So I did use some Maggie Holmes paper. So I went solid deco paper, semi-solid, and then I don't know, just like a fun accent. And here is that little itty bitty heart that I borrowed from the other design. And I'm gonna just show you some that I put together. I know I said I wanted to put it together, but when I actually did start putting it together, I realized I wanted to stitch the paper onto the acetate. Acetate and paper and glue are really not, I mean, they work, but they're messy, and I actually love the texture of the different stitches, and I thought that this would be a better method versus me gluing on the pieces. And since this is a paper back, putting this on foam and adding this little heart was super easy. So you do get a little bit of dimension here, but I love that I got to put this embellishment from my head onto paper, and I have the design now saved in my
design space, and if I ever want to go back to it, I can. So that is it for my project share, you guys. I hope you found inspiration. If you want to recreate it, please feel free. I mean, I think they're super fun, and all I did was take my design and put it into design space. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.